Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, That Teacher Life. I know you all are eagerly waiting for me to reveal today's topic, but before I do that, let me tell you a short story. Raju and his friends Reena, Amit and Tina went to a pizza parlor to celebrate Tina's birthday. They ordered a large pepperoni pizza. Once they received their order, they had the task of dividing the pizza among themselves so that everyone gets a fair share. Do you think it would be fair if they decide to cut the pizza this way? No, absolutely not. But why? The pizza is not cut into equal parts. So someone would get a larger portion and someone would get a smaller portion. So do you know what they did? Raju, being the smarter one, cut the pizza exactly in the middle, horizontally and then vertically. So now there were 4 equal parts and each friend received 1 part out of 4 parts. But what is this 1 by 4? What is it called as? Any number which is expressed in the form of a by b, where a and b are whole numbers, is called as a fraction. In a fraction, the number written above the line is called as numerator and it denotes the number of parts chosen or shaded, and the number written below the line is called as denominator, which denotes total number of equal parts. But students, we must remember that the denominator can never be equal to 0. Otherwise, the fraction will not be defined. Now, you must be wondering why the denominator cannot be 0, right? Basically, the denominator is nothing but the total number of equal parts into which the whole is divided. So, if you cannot divide anything into 0 parts, then you cannot share anything with anyone. Therefore, the denominator of the fraction cannot be 0. Let me give you another example. Here I have a full sheet of paper which is neither torn nor folded. I can denote it mathematically by the whole number 1. Now let me fold the sheet of paper exactly in the middle and let me tear it. So we have 2 equal parts. Out of 2 parts, let me shade 1 part. So the fraction representing the shaded part would be 1 by 2 or 1/2. Similarly, if I divide the sheet of paper into 3 equal parts and shade 1 part, can you tell me how can I denote it mathematically? Yes, you're absolutely right. We can write it as 1 by 3 or 1/3. Now, if I shade 2 parts, what do you think is the corresponding fraction? Yes, it would be 2 by 3 or 2/3. But what will happen if I shade all the parts? The fraction would become 3 by 3, which is nothing but 1 whole. I hope you were all able to understand the concept of fractions. So here I have a small activity for you. Does the shaded region correspond to the fraction displayed? No, we cannot denote it as 1 by 2 because the figure is not divided into equal parts. If the figure would have been divided vertically, then we would have 2 equal parts and we can denote the shaded region as 1 by 2 or 1/2. What about this, children? Once again, the figure is not divided into equal parts, so we cannot denote it as 3 by 4. Can you tell me whether the shaded region can be denoted as 1 by 2? Yes, we can clearly observe that the figure has been divided into 2 equal parts and 1 part has been shaded out of 2 parts. So, it can be denoted as 1 by 2. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Hit that bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.